Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make an emergency kit for yourself, and especially during this COVID situation, this thing is a must. Hey guys, so if you are seeing this face for the very first time, then you guys should definitely subscribe and hit on that bell notification because I am continuing to make videos that you guys like, and I am constantly going through the comments and reading your guys' suggestion and making more informative videos which will help you guys and would be fun to make too. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything I have in my emergency kit, and this kit, my god, saves my life. So I recently changed my emergency kit, like I customized it and put some new things in my stash, and I also changed this bag because the previous bag was all stained. So this small bag contains like 15 or 17 different stuffs that you guys might need in your day-to-day life. So in this COVID situation, everybody is panicked and everybody is maintaining social distancing. Something like this can help you whenever you forget your essential. So this is a very small bag that I got from Shein, and this contains everything that I need and I will ever need, and I continue to build my emergency kit revolving around my needs. So if you can relate to my needs, then this emergency kit is a way to go. So starting off, the first thing that I have is a pen and a piece of paper. Now, a couple of reasons that you might need this thing. Sometimes if you are going to college after this whole lockdown ends, you need something like this just in a case of emergency, if you want to help someone or be helped by someone, so you can like write an address or a phone number if you guys need to. So something like this comes in handy if you don't have a pen and a paper in your bag. The next thing I have is a medicine kind of a thing. Now I don't usually keep medicines in my bag because I don't need them, and I always stay away from medicines because I think natural is a way to go. And this medicine that I recently tried from Schmitten, I think I ordered 2 of them, or it came in a double packet or something, but this I came across in Schmitten. This is from a company called Wellbeing Nutrition, and it's called Grandma's Kada. Now Kada, as we all know, has this medicinal properties. It cures cold, cough and whatnot. So this is my take on medicines, and I have purchased a full size bottle of this which contains like 15 tablets. I keep it just in case of emergency when I'm not feeling good. Third thing I have is a chotu sa scissor, real flimsy one, but this is very compact, and this is the only compact scissor I got in my home. It can be used in various different scenarios. It can be used as a knife, a scissor, anything. Now the next thing is a very interesting thing. Now this is called fashion dressing tape, and I got this from Schmitten. Again, I love Schmitten. If you guys want to check my Schmitten haul, then you can go right here and check my Schmitten haul. I have shared amazing sample size products for you guys to try in your next Schmitten shopping haul. So coming on to the tape, this is called the fashion dressing tape, and it is a self-adhesive tape, like both side tape, and it can act as a safety pin alternative if your pants are ripped or your t-shirt. If you guys have bigger this portion, then you guys might relate to me. If you wear button-up shirt, only this part of the shirt tends to be wide open, and you get this sneak peek of whatever is inside, so you don't want that. Something like this will make it more seamless. It can do a better job than a safety pin. The next thing I have is this tissue container which contains some of the necessity. Now the first thing it has are Q-tips. Now I have 4 Q-tips in here, 1 cotton pad and 2 or 3 tissue paper. Now we all have a situation where we don't have toilet papers around in the washroom, which is, I don't want to think that, and I don't want to ever be in that situation. So I always carry napkins in my bag, so whenever I forget, this is my savior. And Q-tips and cotton buds are a universal thing. Maybe you, maybe your friend, or a friend of your friend might require. So this is a real necessity, especially for me. The next thing is a mint, and there can't be enough mints in my bag, and I love mints. It's a great source of mouth freshener. So the next product is feminine hygiene product. Now I don't use pads or panty liners anymore because I switched to menstrual cups, and whenever I use pads I tend to use biodegradable ones. So if you want a video on feminine hygiene, let me know. But for now I have these two panty liners. Now why I have panty liners? Because first of all, the pad is huge and it won't fit in my bag, and the second reason is panty liners are pretty versatile. So if you have an emergency, and then you can put this on and it can save you the trip to the chemist store. The next thing I have is this, not exactly this, but I have soap papers. So I got this sample size again from Schmitten, but I store my soap papers in here. So soap papers are very nice when you don't have an access to hand wash, and sometimes the washroom doesn't have hand wash, and something like this will not only take your hygiene check but also people around you. So the next thing I have is a mask. Now COVID-19 has created this huge buzz of wearing masks, but I wear mask way before that. Anyway, this is a reusable mask and it is pretty thin. I got this from Miniso in a pack of 3, and this can come in handy whenever you forget to take your mask, and mask is really important. You should not forget it, especially in these times, but in case you forget it, you have a backup. The next product are band-aids. Now band-aids are really important, especially if you are like me and you always get blisters, and even if someone else has a cut or blister, you can share it with them. So I have 2 bandages. So next thing I have is a 100 rupees note. Now especially in this cashless society, and India is moving towards this cashless economy, but India is still a cash-based society, and especially if you are going through autos or rickshaws or bus or metro, you sometimes need cash if you forget your wallet or the charge of your phone is dead. So 100 rupees for me is sufficient enough for me to come back home, so I keep an extra bit of cash. So the next one is a comb, and this saves me when I don't carry my Tangle teaser. The next thing I have is a big ass safety pin. Now I did had few smaller safety pins, but I don't know why this is the only one I have left, so this was the next one. Then I have this stash of hair clips and a hairband. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of clips and a hairband in case of emergency if I ever need. Now perfumes are really important for me, and I have myself again a chotu sa bottle of perfume sample. This is Skin by Titan, and this smells amazing. The next thing I have is a smaller container of my bigger size pepper spray. Now I always carry pepper spray, but it always expires, and I am fortunate enough to never use a pepper spray, but I always carry one in my emergency stash, and I never forget to carry a pepper spray in my normal bag. So even if I forget, then this can be my savior. Now we all have a situation when we get a cut, we get a blister, and band-aid doesn't really goes well with that type of cut, and we need something antiseptic and something that will at least give us time to go to medical shop and stop the irritation. So I carry myself a small tub of aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is really important for me, and I love aloe vera gel. I slather that all over my body, and I have made a whole video listing the benefits and the uses of aloe vera gel, which you can check right here. And this is, I think, a very old video of mine, so forgive my cringiness. Anyway, so this tub carries the aloe vera gel, and this can save you from like a dry skin day or even a cut or a blister. The next thing I have is a very important thing, and that is a hand sanitizer. Now I have a small bottle because I always tend to carry hand sanitizers, but I always carry a small chotu sa bottle in my emergency stash, because you never know when you are going to need a hand sanitizer, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So the last thing in my emergency stash is a pair of nail clipper and filer. Now this is a small filer which I got from like those nail sticker things, and this saves me whenever I have like like if I'm growing my nails and one of the nails is chipped, I can at least chip off all of my nails, because I have this OCD. If one of my nails is chipped, I cannot keep all of my nails. Anyway, I'm not a nail fanatic kind of a girl. I prefer my nails short because that is more practical. And anyway, if I ever need a nail clipper, I have one in my emergency stash. So this was everything that I have in my emergency bag, and this bag fits everything that I have mentioned in this video, and that is everything that I carry in my emergency bag. And you can sort of make this a starting point and build your own emergency kit. And this was a kind of a new video for me, and I want to make this informative and practical video, so I thought of sharing this emergency stash with you guys. So if you like this kind of video, then do hit on that like button and let me know in the comment box that you guys actually like this video, and that will drive me to make more of this informative kind of video. Share this video with your friends if anyone that you know wants to see this kind of video. And if you find this video helpful, then you can help others, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.